Welcome to Secrets Bahia Mita Surf and Spa Resort in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. This is a tour of room number 1602, which is a Preferred Club Junior Suite Ocean View. This room is beautifully decorated for a 35th wedding anniversary, all in rose petals. Details matter when it comes to all Secrets resorts. All of their rooms have a king-size bed or 2 double beds. A complimentary beach bag is also included in the Preferred Club room. This is an adult-only, all-inclusive resort offering all the amenities your heart could desire. The in-room tablets have the daily and evening entertainment going on for the day, as well as restaurant and spa information, your daily weather, and much more. The room has a nice-sized couch with welcome fruit upon your arrival and stunning views of the Pacific Ocean. You have a very private furnished balcony with nice balcony furniture. We also have a view of the Olea Mediterranean restaurant to our left here. The room has a nice soaking tub designed for 2, which fills up in less than 2 minutes. There is also a table and 2 chairs in the room if you desire to order the complimentary room service, which is offered 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The mini refrigerator has upgraded beverages as well as upgraded alcohol with wine and tequila and snacks. This is replenished daily. You have a nice flat screen TV and a nice table and chairs with a mirror that lights up for your makeup. There is plenty of closet space with a safe large enough for a laptop. You have your steamer and your iron board with plush robes and slippers, a scale and umbrella for your use. It is nice that this closet also lights up so it's easy to see. The spacious bathroom has a double sink, a rainforest shower, and a held-hand shower. You also have your upgraded bathroom amenities because you're in the Preferred Club room. So you'll have your shampoo, body lotion, suntan lotion, toothpaste, all in the room waiting for your arrival. Preferred Club amenities include a personalized check-in and check-out, access to the Preferred Club lounge, which offers continental breakfast, afternoon hot and cold hors d'oeuvres, and exquisite desserts and premium liqueurs. This 278 resort offers spacious suites at every level. Preferred Club guests also have access to their infinity rooftop pool and a private beach section. You also receive a pillow menu. This 278 resort offers spacious suites at every level with golden sand beaches. So when you're ready to book that next vacation for Secrets Bahia Mita or any Secrets resorts, please call the experts at A Premier Travel.